Good afternoon, everyone. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning recipes, a little bit of everything. Miss Bear, come here. You want to say hi? Okay, so today is raised bed cleaning day. Also, guys, I want to show you my onion starters that I did in those trays a couple of weeks ago are starting to come to fruition, and I think that the trays are a little too shallow. So guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to start some more seeds today, but I'm also going to transplant what I have. Ta-da! In a little kid swimming pool full of some good Miracle Grow potting soil mix. So we're going to get started on this. I'm going to show you exactly how it looks when we're done, but I've got to water it down because my seed starters that I have up there, they're doing pretty good, but guys, I think that the roots started hitting the bottom, so we want to keep fostering them. And so we're going to plant more, and we're going to put our seed starters in here until it's ready to put in that high tunnel out over here to the right of me, which is to the northeast. So let's get started. Let's take a look at these guys in my tray. You can see they're little bitty with little bitty roots. So I'm not pulling them up from the green. I'm coming up from the bottom, and I want to loosen these up so I can go ahead and get them and transplant them in here. Here's my second tray of onion starters. Again, we don't really want to pull them up by the green. I want to loosen them up from the bottom so that I'm able to pull them out with without really disturbing the little root systems. So let's look and see. Okay. So we're going to put this in here, and we're going to keep it watered down, and then we got some seeds we're going to spread here in a minute. So I have half of this baby tub filled with seed starters, and I'm fixing to throw out some seed on this half, guys. We want to get more seeds going. So onions are surface sow, so I'm going to throw it up and just kind of rake my hands over it just to cover up the seed a little bit, and we'll compare these with those, and I expect to see these germinate probably in the next 7 to 10 days. So we are growing the Texas Early Grano, and I can't wait to get these in there and see what happens. So here we go. We're fixing to start spreading these here seeds. So the Texas Early Grano seeds are pretty good sized seeds. They're not like the brassicas that are very, very small. So we're going to surface sow, which means sprinkle them over the top, and then I'm going to just kind of throw some seed or some soil on top of it, and we're going to expect some germination in the next 7 to 10 days. So here's the first raised bed getting cleaned out. This is going to be put to use very quickly, but you can see Greg is working diligently to get everything pulled up and rotated, and we got to add some compost to this so that we're able to get some things in the ground here. So you can see to me to the southeast that this is Hurricane Ida. We're praying for all you that are in the path of this. I know that Deep South is expecting some of this weather, and I know that the Family Grow Network is expecting some of this, and so we're praying for you. We've been watching. You're on our radar for when we go before our Father. But anyway, it is giving us some cooler weather and some cloudy temps so that we're able to get a little bit more done today without the heat. Things are starting to ramp up here on the farm for the fall. We got to get going. We got to get things in the ground. We got to get things planted, and that's what we're doing. So anyway, wanted to give you guys an update on baby pool planting, and that's what we did. So if you guys want to do that, it's a very cheap and economical way to start your onions, your shallots, your garlic, to move it to another spot. So once it gets rooted, we'll be moving it to the high tunnel over here. So anyway, Thank you for watching. Take care. God bless. We still got that chicken and dressing in the Harvest Right freeze dryer, and I will let you know how that goes, and I will reconstitute it, and we will taste test that and see how it goes. So take care. God bless. We'll be in touch.